In the unfortunate event of a car breakdown that leaves you stranded, it's very useful to have a kit of tools and supplies, which you should keep in your car at all times. An emergency kit can mean the difference between being stranded waiting for help and being able to get right back on the road. Here is a list of important supplies to always keep in your car. Jumper cables, roadside flares, spare tire and jack, first aid supplies, bottled water, granola or energy bars, small tool kit, a flashlight, car escape tools such as a seatbelt cutter and a window breaker, road maps, blankets and extra clothing, especially for colder climates, a car fire extinguisher, antifreeze, a roll of duct tape, washer fluid, paper towels or rags, 2 quarts of oil, and a no-spill gas can. You can often find these items being sold as kits online or at automotive stores. If you find yourself stuck on the side of the road and can't receive immediate help, a kit containing these items will prove very useful.